Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back with actually a pretty good day trading recap. I reached my goal within just I don't know, first few minutes of the trade. Yeah, it's great. I even tried retrading it with just 10% of my actual P&L. You can see here, I reduced my size. I have now a new shortcut how to reduce my size or my hotkey or my share size. When I'm green, then I'll probably get more experience by trading after open, because I don't really trade the after open market. But it looks like NIO is still dropping. Look at that. I was on the wrong side. But yeah, it's fine. For everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for daily updates and follow me on my social media accounts. Yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I like helping out. And if my video makes sense, please, if you can, please subscribe. So yeah, let's I was watching Nicola, actually. Nicola and Neo. I posted it on Twitter that I'll be watching Nicola on Twitter. And look at that. You could have traded Nicola as well. Crazy move. Could have traded 1 minute orb. It's great. There's volume. Is just 500,000, but I kind of like Neo because Neo had about a million volume. Let's look Neo. But the thing is, I was a bit careful because Neo always have this imbalance. They call it imbalance locator, imbalance data or something, which wherein the stock volume comes in the second minute, and price is just not correct. So it's not really price lags or something. I think it's about auction or something, that people getting filled with the right price. And as you can see here, I caught most of the move. I added I have extra shares left. I just decided to take all out because it looks like it's not going to continue. I even tried taking it long here because NIO does this a lot. When it sells off, it's gonna just rip higher and higher and higher. And looking at the daily, it kind of look like there's a potential that it could go higher, but we never know, right? So I what I'm doing now is I'm trying to kind of learn how to trade the after open market with just 10% of my P&L. I'll probably just do this in the next coming days. Really getting more experience on trading this time, around this time, and probably reversals around this time. This is probably a good time to look at a reversal as well because it's at 2750. So yeah, let's see how much this stock moves. So I have NIO. It moved about, oops, sorry about that. I have NIO moved about $1.18, and ATR is $1.51. So it hasn't moved one ATR yet. It's probably gonna continue and head down more. And next was Nicola, moved about $1.70, but it hasn't moved that much yet. One ATR is 255. So there's still more room to trade, but you need to be tighter, I guess. But yeah, let's watch my trade. Let's watch this kind of real time. I'm gonna show you how I really traded it. Yeah, so I have lines here, 25, 28, 25. That's the low of day. So right at the bat, it's selling off. I kind of didn't like that. I thought it's really gonna go back to VWAP. Look at that volume. There's not much. So let's look at NIO. I'm actually just watching NIO at this time, but Nicola also did a really good move. So I was closely watching it, looking for volume, as you can see here. Let's move to this one because it shows the volume clearer. As you can see here, volume came in, right? So it moved about 12 cents. Volume came in, candle is red. So I'm kind of looking to short it, but not yet because we're still early at the time. 9:30. Volume came in 1.9 million. it moved about 12 cents, right? It's too far from VWAP. So for you to be able to short it, it's going to be tough because you're too far from VWAP. So let's see what I did. There you go. Let's watch this. I was expecting this to move up. That's the one I was expecting because it's too far from VWAP, right? It's either if you're a risk taker, you could have shorted it here, but since we're not, we don't want to do that. So what I did was I was actually watching where's the open. So open is about around 20 area. I don't want to enter here because it's a bit too far from VWAP. If I'm gonna risk maybe 20 cents, I actually risk 20 cents instead of 30 cents. So I was gonna risk 20 cents because I was gonna enter early. Next candle is about to open. This is probably where I entered because I was closely watching the high. High of day is 28.11 or 28.40. So about 20 cents risk if I'm gonna risk, right? I'm gonna enter at 20. My risk is half this candle is 28.40, and then it just dropped. I took it short. There you go. I got filled. I got filled at 28.18. Stop is 28.38. A bit risky, really risky trade. And I took 10% in there, hoping if there's any large orders at 28. I see some, as you can see here. There's one at 28.01 and 28. So if there's liquidity, it's gonna drop more. I waited patiently. As you can see, there's more orders piling in here. There you go. Look at that drop, 10-cent drop. So I took more. Yeah, I was taking 25%, 50% here. I was waiting for more. There's more order at 27.80. Can't remember where I took profit next. I took 25% in here, probably 25% in here. And I was waiting and waiting where the candle is going. I was looking at 28. If it's gonna go to 28 and reject, so I took more in there because I didn't like that there's no continuation in there. I took more profit. I decided, okay, should I take more? I should have taken more in here. I should have taken more in here. I don't know why I did not take that. I think I did. I remember. I still had a good amount of shares in there. I should have taken it. Yep. I think that's what I did. Oh, I didn't get filled. Yo. Yeah, there. That was a good one. So yeah, it's not really 2-to-1 move, but I got a really good portion in there. Probably 1.1 to maybe 1.8 move. Yeah, there's the 2-to-1 move. I did not. I should have taken everything in there. I was greedy. I should have taken everything in there, man. Yep. Oh, I took more. I forgot. Yeah. I'm looking at my shares now. I have very small shares left. I'm really glad I took it. I thought that was my last partial because I still have enough shares in here. Okay. Good job myself. Good job to myself. So yeah, I'm done. It's a really good move. Actually easy. So I was actually thinking if I should add or I should just hold my price around this time. I was looking at 28 area, looking if it's gonna bounce in there. Let's see. Come on, 28 area. Yeah, so I kind of like that, kind of like a double top ish. So I was like, maybe it's a good place to add, but actually nope. Because I was looking at the volume, it's not much. The volume is not much. I was really expecting for for a rejection. Actually, I was looking at 28 area where I will add. My average is 28.18. I even moved my average to 28.16 just in case. But yeah, the volume is not that much, but the move is a bit more than the previous candle because it's a low day. So yeah, I think I added here. I can't remember. I wish I held for consolidation. Come on, where's the ad? So 28.16 is my area, 2016 and 28. Kind of watching 28. Yeah, so I saw a sell-off in there. When I saw there's this a sell-off, I added. I said, oops, maybe I'm wrong. Didn't even touch my stop. I'm still looking at 28.16 stop. Even I added. It's still my stop. So my new average is 28. 2809-ish. There you go. That's the drop. I was hoping for 80. I was gonna take profit at 80 area. I did not take profit because I want 80 area or 85. Yeah, when I saw I went back to 29, I said, okay, maybe it's not really gonna go. Yeah, there's like a previous day low in there, I think. Kind of holding that price. Yeah, it even closed and opened there. Yeah. That's it. Let's watch my next trade. So I think this is the time I was looking at my P&L. It's not bad. Let's look at my next trade. So yeah, let's fast forward this a bit because it's already 12 minutes. Lower this. So yeah, so I was closely watching this area here. I thought it's really going to continue because I've seen NIO done this few times wherein it sells off and it's going to continue to hit up. So looking at it, I was looking for a pullback or a trade of VWAP, but yeah, it did not work. So this is where it got stopped, right? After it got stopped, it's really holding this price. The thing I did not hold it, and if not, I'm just gonna give back some of my profit. I just stop at break even in there. So here I was looking and looking. It's making higher highs, so that's I changed my hotkey now to 10% of my PNL. I'm gonna trade 10% of my PNL just to see how it works and see how I feel. Because imagine if I trade the same amount here, I probably could lose it easily, right? I'm trading the same amount, risking 20 cents here. Not same amount, like 10% of my PNL, risking 20 cents. Come on. I was actually thinking of adding here. I'm glad I did not add because I'm trading small size, right? So trading small size gives you more confidence to add because you're trading really small size. And I got stopped. Said, okay, I was wrong. Yeah. And I did not look at it anymore because I said, no, I'm not going to trade that anymore. I got stopped. It's a really bad idea. Maybe I'm not really good at trading this kind of time already. It's only 10 o'clock, but I want to gain experience. If I'm gonna be a full-time trader, I need to be trading this ones as well. Yeah, I was really hoping for another. I mean, like stock market is 50-50, right? You could be wrong, you could be right. Imagine if this goes up, I could, made more. And good thing I'm only trading small share size in here. So yeah, um, that's about it. At the stock, I think stock eventually moved down to 2750 or something. Let's, yeah, as you can see here, 2750 area. I like round numbers. Projected 2850. That's a dollar move. Imagine just trading round numbers. You risk 20 cents or 30 cents and trade, get a full number move. So it's also probably a good strategy. So stock moves about $1.50, you can trade half ATR or 70 cents. And yeah, if you're trading within VWAP, trade the ATR move, daily ATR move. It's also a good strategy. I think beginners should be doing that, right? So yeah, I wanted to. Oop, one sec. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's about it. I wish I traded it short, but who knows, right? Who knows it's gonna. Wanted to know why my idea was right. It's making higher highs here. I could have. The thing is, it broke that triangle in here, wedge, and then that's where it dropped, making this kind of pattern, right? It broke that pattern here. Yeah, so this is a good short actually. Yeah. Here, you see that? Yeah, I mean, that's why you have stops. If you don't have stops, then you lose all your money. And discipline, like what I did here, I could have reflipped my position here, but I did not because I only want to risk 10% of my P&L. And that said, I don't want to give back. I'll move on and do it for tomorrow. Yeah. So it's the time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates, and I'd like my viewers to interact in YouTube or ask questions, or if you have suggestions, please let me know. Oh, how I pick Nicola, and one viewer asked me how I pick my stocks. It's very easy actually. So let's look. The moves stocks for. So yeah, these were the movers today, gappers movers, as you can see here. um, it was only Nicola who catch my attention. It's very easy. Just look at the blue ones. Look at the volume. Blue ones, you see here, blue, blue, blue. It means it's mid to large cap. I prefer trading stocks that are over 150 or 100. The VXRT, it's below 150 and it's like $5 stock. I don't really trade $5 stock. So looking at the volume, next one was Nicola, right? 135. You can see here. What else? Yeah, SPCE, I kind of didn't like it, but yeah, I don't know. There's something wrong with. I feel like because I used to trade SPCE in my tax-free savings account, my retirement, yeah, tax-free savings account. I used to trade this long. It's hard for me to watch it when I'm trading it on the side for swing trading. Yeah. So NIO wasn't here, but I like NIO. I've been trading NIO for a few days. Yeah, I've been trading NIO for a few days now, so it's always in my list. I saw that it had volume at the pre-market. I can't remember, I think it was a few million volume. So when there's few million volumes in the pre-market, it means it's gonna move. But it did not move that much, but we caught 2-to-1 move. Although we gave back a little bit profit, but it's fine. The goal is to make only 1% of my account every day. If you catch more than 1 hour or 2 hour move and your profit is more than 1 hour, why not just stop the day, right? That's why I don't want to give back. I'm gonna trade 10%. Once I have this kind of trades, I'm gonna trade 10% from now on, I think, if I have the guts to do it, because some traders can just do it and I can't. Yeah, so that's about it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates, and yeah, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much.